Hey guys, good morning. I hope you guys are having a great day. I wanted to make a quick tutorial and kind of dispel some of the myths that there's only 25 people looking at your page. Now, Facebook's a big website. There's several users, over a third of the world uses it. So we're going to talk about how to prioritize your news feed so that you can see either your friends or pages, or if you want to do a combination of both. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the home page here. I'm going to hit this down arrow. Then I'm going to go into settings and privacy. Then hit newsfeed preferences. Now, this is very important. You see this slot right here where it says see first? Go ahead and click that. And make sure if you want to hit see everything on Facebook, you have this selected here, which is all. Now, if you want to prioritize your friends' posts, simply hit down that down arrow again and hit friends only. Vice versa, if you want to just do pages only, like me, you can just hit pages only. I hope this helps, guys, and clears up some of the confusion about how Facebook is only showing your stuff to 25 people. It's just a matter of how much content is on Facebook, and hope this helps. See you guys on the next tutorial.